Difference between OpenClaw and Hermes agent. Imagine an AI agent that lives on your computer, texts you back, browse the web, and actually get things done for you all day, every day. That's what we're talking about today, and we are comparing two of the biggest ones out there. On the left, OpenClaw, on the right, Hermes agent. And here's the fun part, these two are not just rivals, one of them actually grew out of the other. Let's find out how they are different side by side. Let's start with the story because it explains a lot. Back in November 2025, a developer named Peter built a small bot called ClawBot. After a naming dispute, it got renamed to MoltBot and then finally to OpenClaw, like a lobster shedding its old shell. It became huge fast. Then in February 2026, the team at Now's Research, the people behind the Hermes AI models, took that same idea and built something new on top of it. Hermes agent. So Hermes isn't just another competitor, it's the next generation of the same idea. That's exactly why comparing them is so interesting. OpenClaw is like a digital assistant that never sleeps. It connects to over 15 chat apps, remember things in simple text files. You can open and read yourself and pick up new skills from a huge library called Claw Hub. You can even choose which AI model powers it, like Claude, GPT, or something running locally on your own machine. Hermes agent works in a similar way, but with one big difference. It teaches itself new skills as it goes. It also remembers things in a smarter, searchable way, works with over 200 different AI models, and runs inside a safe, locked down space by default. Both of these are completely free and open source. This really comes down to two different ways of thinking. OpenClaw is built to be a system you set up and organize. You connect all the pieces and it runs them really well. But it always works exact the same way. It doesn't get smarter by itself. Hermes is built to be more like a mind that grows. Every time it finishes a task, it remembers a better way to do it next time. So, put simply, one agent does the job, the other one learns the job. Keep that in mind because it explains almost everything else in this video. Talking about the architecture, let's peek under the hood for just a second. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. OpenClaw runs on something called a gateway. Basically, it's an engine room. That's what connects it to all those chat apps, store its memory in text file, and has a built-in scheduler so it can act on its own without you asking. It also has direct access to your computer, which is powerful, but we will come back to the risk of that in a minute. Hermes runs on its own agent core with over 40 built-in tools, support for 6 platforms, and that self-learning skill system we just talked about. It also trains itself in the background, and this part really matters. It runs inside a protected sandbox, so it cannot touch your computer directly. If you only remember one thing from this whole video, make it this one. Hermes has a superpower, a learning loop. Here's how it works. In 5 simple steps. Step 1, it solves a task. Step 2, it writes down what worked, like taking notes for later. Step 3, next time a similar task comes up, it looks up for those notes. Step 4, it improves them a little. And step 5, it just keeps repeating that, getting a little better every single time in their own test. This made repeat task about 40% faster. OpenClaw doesn't do any of this. It's great at what it does, but it does the exact thing every single time unless a human changes it by hand. Honestly, this one feature is the real heart of the difference between these two agents. Let's look at the comparison. Let's put everything on one simple scoreboard. Self-improvement, OpenClaw doesn't have it, Hermes does have. Popularity, OpenClaw has a huge following, though the exact numbers vary depending on where you look at. Hermes already has over 64,000 on Git or GitHub and is climbing fast. Platforms, OpenClaw connects to way more apps, Hermes covers fewer but deeper. Both work with a wide range of AI models. Memory, OpenClaw keeps it in plain text files. Hermes keeps it in a smarter searchable system. Security, this is the one big deal, and OpenClaw has made some serious safety issues while Hermes hasn't had any yet. And setup, OpenClaw is quicker to get running. Hermes takes a bit more time to configure properly. Quick note, treat those popularity numbers loosely. They change depending on the source, platform, and models. So let's talk about where you can actually use these day to day. OpenClaw really shines here. It connects to over 50 different apps, things like Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, Discord, email, and plenty more. And you can plug in almost any AI model you want behind it. Hermes keeps things simpler with about 6 platforms plus a command line tool, but it makes up for that by supporting over 200 different AI models, including its own free option. So think of it this way: OpenClaw spreads wide, Hermes goes deep. We'll talk about the security, and here's the part you really need to hear. OpenClaw's biggest weakness is security because it's so easy to set up. Tens of thousands of people accidentally left their installation wide open to the whole internet with no password protection at all. On top of that, researchers found a serious bug that let attackers take control with just one click, and hundreds of harmful add-ons were discovered in its skill marketplace. Hermes was built with this exact lesson in mind. It runs inside a protected sandbox by default. So even if something goes wrong, it can't spread to the rest of your system. So far, it has zero known security problems. If you use OpenClaw, please take the time to lock it down properly. With Hermes, that protection is already built in from day one. Let's talk about money and who each one is really for. Both free to download. Running OpenClaw usually costs a small monthly fee for hosting plus whatever you spend on the AI model itself, anywhere from a few dollars to a couple of hundred per month. Hermes cost about the same to host, but it can even be free if you use its built-in model. So who should pick which? Choose OpenClaw if you want the most connections and the biggest library of add-ons right now, and you are willing to lock it down properly. Choose Hermes if you want an agent that keeps getting smarter over time with safety built in from day one. And yes, it can even bring your old OpenClaw setup over automatically. And here's the verdict. So which one should you actually pick? If you want something that does a lot right now across every app you can think of, so go with the OpenClaw. Just make sure you secure it properly. If you want something that starts smart and keeps getting smarter safely by design, go with Hermes. Honestly, both are free and open source, so there's nothing stopping you from trying both yourself. If this video helped you understand the difference, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which one you are going to try. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.